To generate a pay stub in accounting software, follow these steps. First, navigate to the payroll menu and select the option to pay employees. From there, click on the Add Payroll button and choose your pay period from the drop-down menu. Next, select the employees to include in the payroll by checking the boxes next to their names. Review the earnings, deductions, and leave for each employee to ensure the details are correct. Once everything looks right, click the Post Payroll button, and then confirm by clicking it again. After posting the payroll, the software will automatically generate pay stubs for each employee. To view or print these pay stubs, return to the Payroll menu. Select the Pay Employees option, and choose the payroll you just generated. In the payroll details, you will see a list of included employees. Click on an employee's name to view their individual pay stub. Then scroll down to find the print option. Clicking on this will generate a PDF file for the employee's pay stub.